This is a backtest strategy without using stop loss. What is the function of close all and stop button? I will explain at the end of the video. You might be wondering why the strategy backtest stopped at a fairly large loss position. Final total net profit minus. This occurs because a hedging position is still open when the backtest stops running. Therefore, the close all and stop buttons are used when you want to stop trading. However, ensure that the floating or drawdown is not too large. The following is information from the backtest, indicating that this was the day we had set for the end of test. However, the hedging position was still open and had a significant floating position. This is the button you can use to stop and close all trading positions. However, you can also set it to automatically resume trading the next day in the settings.